Hello, Facebook, YouTube, fans and followers. It's Teresa Morrison here, and today I'm talking about making money online 2018 the legitimate way. And I have this. This contains everything you need to have a successful business online. I will reveal what it is in a few moments. But first, let's have a look at ways you can make money online. You may have tried some of these. E-commerce, Shopify, dropshipping, Amazon, those sort of things, but you do have work to do in there. You have to have payment system set up and some sort of delivery system. Digital products are always the easiest, but you have to work to set up with that. Become a tester, test apps, test websites, test products for people, write reviews, you could do that. Sell services if you're good at copywriting, if you're good at graphics, if you're good at building websites, you could try and sell your services on Upwork or Fiverr. Do surveys. The surveys are good, but you do have to get to a certain level before they will actually let you cash out. Some of them you have to get to a £10 maybe Amazon voucher or PayPal credit, and that takes quite a while, so it doesn't work for everybody. Blogging. It takes time for that one as well. That's a long-term strategy. If you're trying to build yourself as a brand, have a blog is very good, and put very good quality content on it. Don't rely on any old content because there's too much of that on the internet already. Affiliate marketing is the one that I recommend. All you have to do is sell other people's products and other people's services. They've already tried and tested the stuff, so they know it works. You use their system for delivery and payment. You earn ascending commissions depending on the value of the product or service. You can promote multiple offers, so people can come in to the company, to the system at different levels, and then they might buy something cheaper or something more expensive. You can promote using any platform you prefer. So keep that in mind when you're looking at the company. You want something that you are happy to promote the way you want to do your promotions, especially if you're thinking about promoting somewhere like Facebook, where they're really clamping down on affiliate marketers and online businesses of any kind. It is a bit tricky. No selling required. Apart from that initial promotion, any other selling is done by somebody else. Done by the system, it's done by the company. You don't have to do it. Work from anywhere. With affiliate marketing, it's basically you just need the internet and you take everything with you. If you're trying to set up from scratch an online business, this is a small capsule of all the things you'd have to be doing, all the setup you would have to do for yourself. So I'm going to recommend two companies that do an awful lot of the work for you, and you can plug in, get started straight away. First one is the Super Affiliate Network. Now, the creator of the Super Affiliate Network, Misha Wilson, he found that he had learned how to make money online with his marketing, but when he tried to teach other people how to do it, they weren't getting it. So he set up the Super Affiliate Network because it will teach you how to market. It is a fantastic bootcamp training, 21 modules. It's just showing a snapshot there of the first phase. There's 3 phases, and the whole time that you are doing the things popping up, doing the bootcamp, you will have a coach, a personalized coach, who will go through everything with you, answer any questions. Here's a little picture of members that have made huge sales, fired their bosses, and they are doing really well. So what do you get if you join the Super Affiliate Network? Well, you get done for you capture pages, you get done for you sales pages, you get done for you email follow-up, you get webinars, phone follow-up, that's the selling that you don't have to do. You get offer creation, you'll have all the up-to-date offers. You get upsell creation, so that again, that's all updated regularly. Customer support, you don't really have to do that either. Done for you fulfillment. So everything is handled. That is the way you want to market. That's the Super Affiliate Network, and they have an awesome community. I have to say, it is awesome. The other one I want to talk to you about is Nowlifestyle. Nowlifestyle is a health and fitness based online company. And it's run by Joel Therien, who has many years of experience in online businesses. He built GVO, some of you may have heard of before. And he has a background in health and cardiac fitness as well. So Nowlifestyle, there's a fitness program. The crux of it is that you work out 7 minutes a day, 3 times a week, and it works. I'm using it, and with my MS, I can't do the hot and sweaty aerobic style, endurance style exercise. I can't do that like with my MS. So it works for me 7 minutes a day, and I feel great afterwards. I don't feel like I have overdone it. What you can do then is you get paid to introduce others to the system. You can earn up to 100% commissions. Now, you're not going to get that in many other companies. There is also an NLS university where you can get certified in email marketing and in Now Body Fitness. It's just a little capture page that they have as an example. Get your body back. The health and fitness. Now, these slides have costs on them, but if you have any questions by any of the costs, just send me a message. The details will be in the description below. The Now Body system, you can just buy it for $250 for a whole year for you and 5 of your friends and family. That is a personalized workout system, personalized to your stage of fitness and what your needs are. If you're wanting to build muscle, if you're wanting to lose fat, if you're wanting to build fitness, all of those questions it covers. So it's $250 a year or $24.97 a month. The all-inclusive is the one that I recommend people to go for. It's $50 a month. You get the reseller package, so you can resell the Now Body system. You get the Now Body system for yourself and the 5 other people. And you get the professional autoresponder. I did a separate video about the autoresponder, which is called SendShark. And it's awesome. You do not need any other autoresponder. This SendShark does it all. And you get 50% commissions on those sales as well. So in terms of business with Nowlifestyle, you can promote the Now Body, the workouts, and you will send people to the main site or the free funnel best shape pages where people can get started for $1. It's amazing. Just trying to find the next slide here. The autoresponder. Yes, as I said, it's professional autoresponder. It integrates with the online sales pro system, which is very important for people who are already benefiting and already have their capture pages in there or their lead generation pages. This is a little picture of the back office, because with every single part of the back office, every single part has a video. You will never get lost. You will never be left thinking, what do I do next? So which one do you think is best for you? As I said, the Super Affiliate Network has multiple offers to promote, live calls. They have the Freedom Call Monday to Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern. They have multiple live webinars and regular Facebook group tasks and competitions. It has the done for you system where you can get in, get access, and just start promoting straight away, start earning straight away while you're learning in that boot camp. And they have the one-to-one coaching while you're doing the boot camp and beyond. There is coaching for you. Nowlifestyle, multiple offers to promote because sellers and out body workouts. There's the products, the fiber, and the Elevate energy boost, and other products that are coming on availability. And then you have the autoresponder, and there's also conference software. They have so much you can promote. They have live calls twice a day on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and once a day on Fridays. Joel Therien himself does the 12 p.m. East live calls. They have a done for you system. If you're the reseller, you can get set up very quickly, and all that stuff in the back office is all done for you. You just need to set up your lead capture system and you're good to go. It has health and fitness products. As I said, that's a major difference with the Super Affiliate Network, and it has the autoresponder. So yes, it's just personal choice. Are you drawn to the health and fitness market, or do you want to keep purely on the affiliate marketing market? So with both of those, you can get started for $1. And here is the information. I'm going to point this way. No, I'm going to that way. Yay! Here's the information so you can get started for $1. The one at the top is the Super Affiliate Network, http://bit.ly/millionaires method, because Misha Wilson is the millionaire, and it is his method for learning how to make all that money, become financially free. And Nowlifestyle, which is the one that ends in make money online here. And say there's multiple ways that you can start a business with Nowlifestyle and multiple ways that you could be earning with them. So if you thought this video was helpful, please hit the like button, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell, and you will get notified of when my next video goes live. And if you want to find out more about these two businesses, check the description below. Thanks for watching. I have been Therien Morrison, and you have been great. Bye for now. Aha! I forgot to show you what was in the bag. So here it is. The thing that I told you is what you need for making money online in 2018. And here it is. Nothing. The bag is empty. Empty. The empty bag. You see down at the bottom? Yeah, there you go. You see the bag is empty. Because there is nothing that is going to be that one thing that's going to help you succeed online. There is nothing that is going to make the difference in your business. The difference is going to be made by you, by the work that you put in. That's why you always see a disclaimer now with the anything that people are promoting online is that results are not typical, because no person is typical. No one person is same as anybody else. We all have individual work ethics, and individual motivations and determinations to get the work done. It all depends on the work and the system and the support. Those three things are the things that are going to make the difference, and they are very, very individual to the person. So I hope you've enjoyed my little videos. and I will see you in the next one. Teresa Morrison, over and out.